Hey everyone, welcome back to the Lonely Homestead. So, this is a Homestead Rescue Edition. You can see there's a nest right there. And I don't think that little guy belongs in my tomatoes. So we're gonna try and pick him up. I know they say the parents might feed him right here, but it's better if he gets out of that wet soil and back into the nest. Okay, let's see. Trying to use the camera to see him. Hey, looks like he's in there. All right, and still alive. Come on, parents, I know you're here. Where are you? This little red-headed sparrow-looking bird. I hear him, but I don't see him. Okay, maybe if I leave, they'll come back. All right, people, God bless and adios.